What up, y'all? It's your girl Lifestyle 704 on the end and a proud. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I'm killing two birds in one stone right now. And it's hot today. I am at another spot. I'm actually meeting somebody for some merchandise, and I figured, why don't I just get me something to eat as well? I'm glad they gave me napkins too. So I'm at the Original Chicken and Ribs. This is on Beatties Ford Road, y'all. They've been here forever. And guess what? I have never eaten from here. And if I have, I didn't know I was eating from here. But I know I've never placed an order. I just ordered a foot long. I didn't need the fries and stuff because I'm already eating a foot long hot dog. Let's see if I can show y'all without making a mess. Can y'all see this? All the way, no ketchup. I don't care for ketchup on my hot dogs. So all the way is chili, slaw, mustard, and ketchup, I think, and probably onions. But I didn't want any ketchup. So I haven't had a foot long hot dog in years. I'm talking about years, because I didn't know people still sell them. Did y'all? It's literally it's a foot, and it's from end to end. End to end, y'all. End to end. All right. Hopefully there was a cute thumbnail in there. End to end. All right. Let's do this, y'all. Mmm. 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 And I told them to make it well done. Try my hot dog a little bit. Oh, it's good. I haven't had one in so long. So this foot long beef hot dog, no ketchup, a little charred. My total not on here, but it was less than $5. More than $4, but less than $5. Which I think is pretty good. And I got my water here, y'all, with my tumbler that I got with my gift cards. So I am sitting here waiting on some apparel. This hot dog good as hell. Ooh. Just a quick bite. I didn't really need those heavy potatoes anyway. I've been trying to make better choices. I know this hot dog isn't a healthy choice, but no soda and no fries is healthy. It's a healthier choice than a whole combo. And I believe I saved $2.50. So all about trying to make a little better healthy choice, healthier steps. And saving money too. So I'm waiting on some apparel. You guys have been following me on IG. Do you know about you remember that Charlotte jacket I got from Zeus Apparel? I'm gonna try to insert a clip here to remind y'all about this fly jacket. So they're making masks now with Charlotte on it. So you know I had to get it. I ain't really been wearing a lot of masks like I should, because I've been keeping my social distance, and I've been making sure my hands washed and stuff and sanitized on the go. But today my city opened back up, more stuff. Still no gyms, but the salons, the nail places, I believe, the restaurants are doing 50%, I think up to 50% capacity. So I know I'm gonna be out more with more people out. And now I want to start wearing, you know, my mask. And why not be fashionable with it? Oh, this hot dog's so good. Really, really good. And the bread is toasted. That's how I like it. If you're gonna give me a hot dog, toast my bread. That's the only way to go. I can't believe I've never eaten from here. They got everything from ribs, chicken, fried chicken, burgers, hot dogs, of course, pork chops, fish. I think I've seen some shrimp, so seafood, greens, macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna come back here and order a whole meal. And you can't sit down in there. It's literally like a walk in and order. You either sit in your car or take it back home. But it's right here on Beatties Road. Beatties, and this is Oakland, but it changed. I believe that the street switches over to something else when you cross the light. And the name of the street is on the tip of my tongue, literally. There's a tree right there and I can't see. Or maybe it's the building right there. I can't see the name of the street, but Oakland and Beatties Road. The address is 1100 Beatties Road. I'm about to be done with this hot dog. I left the little ones at home, so that's another reason why I ordered just something on the go, because I didn't order everybody nothing. Oh well. It's all type of people in and out of here, y'all. All colors. A lot of people sitting here in their car eating. And they're pretty efficient too. Like, I called, they said 10 minutes. Because I called when I was pulling out my driveway. And when I got here, it was ready. So, people coming in and pulling right back out. Their stuff is ready. They had a 97.5 grade. Look at my hair, y'all. Just need to be trimmed. I'm gonna trim when I get home. I mean, they flying in here too. All type of people. Black people mainly, because this is the black side of town. Beatties Ford is very historically black, period. And I mean, it is part of the whole regentrification thing, because I seen the white dude running with his dog, so that's when you know. No offense, I'm just saying. That's when you know. You see a white person running through the hood with a dog. That mean they already on this side of town rejuvenating. So, like I said on one of my other videos, I am all for regentrification or things that come with it, except displacement. I feel like, you know, everything that comes with that, I guess I'm not all for it, but things that come with it causes people who have been over here for years, who have made this area so colorful, and who has made the stamp of approval. I think this dude right here, hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let me show y'all. So I had ordered a blue one. Well, he said it was purple. It looked blue online, but I still told him to bring it. Sure enough, it's purple in person. Ooh, my mouth hurt, y'all. I don't have to call in. I got some wax at the house. Okay, so here's one. Cute. That's his little label. Zeus apparel. I told you over and over again. Somebody was playing that. That's why it's in my head. Ooh, I gotta get home to my wax. I don't know what happened. It's something at the top of that bracket. Cutting my dang on now. So that was the white with the black writer. And then I got another one. They're breathable, double layered. It was $15 each. And, you know, and I think that's pretty reasonable because they're reusable. And they're reusable and they're custom. So, and locally, a local brand. And they got my city on it. Like, he's a young guy named Greg. He doing it. I don't know if it's by, if he by himself or not. He do a lot of stuff for the baby too. I'm all for supporting the local brands, especially if it got Charlotte on it. Especially. So make sure y'all check out Original Chicken and Ribs, 1100 Beatties Ford Road. That foot long is the only thing I can recommend right now because that's the only thing that I've had. But trust and believe, it was good. Well worth it. I meant to get a menu. I'm sorry, y'all. I meant to get a menu, but they got a website, believe it or not. A black eatery with a website. But the only thing is you can't order online. So that sucked. But I mean, they answered the phone. They answered the phone for me. So I'm on my way back home. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe out here. Stay safe. Sanitizer. Make sure you have something in your pocketbook. Well, in your wallet, not your wallet, but in your car at least. And keep your social distance, y'all. I know that all these department stores opening back up, and for what I've seen, these people, some people are just not conscious of 6 feet. I don't know if it's that they don't want to follow the rules or they just not used to it. It is a new behavior for us to learn. But if somebody's in your personal space, it's okay to let them know, you know, can you back up a little bit? Or what I've been doing is I back up, I take a step back, and I make sure they see that I've adjusted my distance from them, and then they kind of follow along because they're really not trying to be harmful, they're just not mindful. So stuff like that, you know, you don't have to be out here rude, like back up, man. You know, you ain't got to do that. But there is a way to do it, and I will hope that people won't get offended when you're asked to back up. Okay, just don't get offended. Just do it. So y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.